Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and let me just tell you how beautiful and versatile these dried eucalyptus stems from Koceko are. We were initially using these stems to decorate for a beautiful anniversary party, but it goes so much beyond that. With 36 stems, we were able to use them for the anniversary party, also utilize them as decoration in my home, and create my own little mini spa in my shower too. These stems are top-notch quality. I was blown away at just how beautiful they were to look at, but also the calming and natural scent that I immediately smelled when I opened the box. Now, it was so easy to freshen up the stems when they came out to make them a little bit fuller. I gently ran my hand along the stems and unwrinkled some of the ones that maybe needed a little extra love. And the outcome was absolutely beautiful. Each stem is just a little bit unique, but together it also creates a beautiful centerpiece. I loved utilizing these in centerpieces at an anniversary party because it really added a nice, natural, and elegant touch. Now, I also love to use them around my home. I use them in decorations, putting them in vases. At 17 inches tall, it really draws up a vase so nicely and adds such a beautiful touch. I was able to utilize some of these and create a little bunch with the provided twine and hang it from my shower head, and really just helped release that eucalyptus aroma and really made me feel amazing when I was taking my shower. Using these really just elevates any type of space. So no matter what your use is for these beautiful eucalyptus stems, you are going to absolutely love the look, the smell, and the quality. But that's just my point of view.